I'm just ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, TINT presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down. She know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money. Yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. The designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750. We talk Pacifics, that Rose Gold compliment.
You too, what up? I'm back. I've been on a little hiatus, a work hiatus. I've been working a lot. So, like with my job, I work in the power industry. And fourth quarter, just be ridiculous. So I've been traveling a lot. Been out of the state, in the South, mainly all over the South. But we are at 1,000 subs. Appreciate y'all. We hit that 1,000 mark. First 1,000. I mean, we have made it to the first goal. We here. So now the next mark, 10K. So we got here because of y'all commitment to the channel, man. And I want y'all to know I really appreciate y'all. But it's just beginning. We are on the move to hit to that 10K mark, because that's what we want to be at. We want to be at that 10K. Eventually 10K. I'm smacking all of y'all face and stuff, eating these gummies. One of my favorite snacks, these are gummies. But yeah, man, we get up next goal 10K, and we just constantly pushing forward the channel and the content, man. So today I'm actually gonna take this battery out. So let me tell you what was happening. I got in the Lexus when I got back, and I got ready to pull out, started my car, started up good, and it jacked my head up, and then it killed, boom. Then the battery light came on. I'm like, why the battery light on? And like, if the battery bad, why the car started? So again, cranked it back up. I'm like, what the hell? I said, man, I'm just gonna deal with this junk later. Came back again, started it up, got it now, bagged it down the driveway, and got to about right there in the driveway. It killed. Boom. Battery light came on, check engine light came on, cut it off, cut it back on, started up, lights are going again. Every time I cut it off, cut it back on, the lights are going. There's no logged faults in the code in the ECU, and the battery light come on. I'm like, is it really a battery problem? So last night I kept it on the float charger the whole night, right? Look, the entire night it's been on the float charger. Look, it's still saying it's charging. So now I know for sure. Okay, temperature drop. We done dropped in the last week. It dropped like 30-40 degrees. The car, as we all know, all your problems happen whenever it get cool outside. So I'm gonna take this battery off, take it back to Walmart. Everstar Max supposed to have like a 3-year warranty, and this battery says 420. So it ain't been no 3 years. So get my 10 millimeter and pull this battery out, and we're gonna take this to Walmart. I was gonna drive it over there, but I don't want no problems. Don't want none of these problems. Hold up. 10 mil. My 10 mil nut driver. All my nut drivers look. What the hell? I'm missing a bunch of nut drivers. I gotta be tripping. See, now I got my older son living down here with me now, and he's starting to use tools. Hopefully he ain't starting to move my stuff around and jack my stuff up, man. Let me find this junk. Yep. I'm not gonna unplug that. Reason I kept that on, cause I don't want that charge to completely dissolve out of my car, cause I don't feel like resetting all my windows and doors and all that. So I keep the float charge on there. Hopefully that pulling that red off just now didn't just make me lose everything, but I keep that float charge on there when I was pulling it out, cause you know, you gotta reset the doors, windows with the auto feature, the auto for the sunroof. It don't take long. Then you gotta reset the radio. So anyway, that's out. We know this mug right here is done. This battery. Only got 2 years out of it from Walmart. Look, it's labeled what, 420, and we're not at 423 yet. So 3-year warranty on this. It should be a direct replacement with no receipt replacement, as they say. So I'm just gonna bring this mug over there to them. I'm gonna go get up in there. Oh, I gotta get my keys. I got my Lexus keys, but I ain't got the freaking Suburban keys. Good day. Walmart, better not play no games, I know that. You better give me this return. So the printout is as follows. They say I got a good battery. The voltage is good. The cold cranking amps supposed to be good, and they say everything good. Shoot, I mean, I had it on the charge the whole entire night, so maybe it's just depleted. You know, I ain't been driving the car, been going so much. So, but at the same time, this past week I just changed the battery in my truck right here. So we're gonna take this mug back, put it in the car, and I'm gonna take the Lexus for a drive and make sure that the car don't cut off no more. Hopefully that's the issue. Hopefully that junk is mitigated. Alright, so when we get back to the crib, alright, so I crunked it up, no problems. I think it was just my battery was dead, man. That's all it was. So I want to take it for a spin, so I'm about to go ahead and wash this baby up. Get this more wet right quick, because it's dirty. You can see all the water from the dried up dirty water that was all on here. So let me get this thing clean. Yes, Olivia.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am. don't see. Yeah. Yo, I'm gonna run good, man. It's that battery, man. I knew it was that damn battery. I gotta get this screen put in, man. I gotta get this screen. It's about that time. Get this full Tesla screen. Let's go ahead and pull out. My car's so damn low, man. I'm about to modify this bridge soon. See how low my car get whenever. Be getting it, boy. I ain't gonna lie, I can definitely feel that. Ooh, that kick a little harder too whenever it's cool outside. I'm gonna kick in a little harder. Oh man. Get your little ride going. Mount this camera up here on my dashboard. No problems. I gotta get this light off. I know I had a dude comment. I gotta find out what video it is. That's my AFS light for me whenever I changed out my headlights. Cause the original headlights, they steer with the steering wheel. A lot of people don't realize that. Most cars, like newer cars, they like that the headlights, they steer. Whenever you turn it into a curve, your headlights don't be looking straight. They start turning around the curve for you. Well, that feature went away with the new headlights. Headlights just look straight. I really don't notice the difference that much because it ain't nothing but like a steering angle of maybe 15, 20 degrees max. Maybe like 15. I don't even know. It's not even a lot. But anyway, whenever I took that feature off, the sensor, I guess, thinks that the headlights malfunctioned, so you get that AFS off light. But someone told me there's a fuse. I think on the comment, and I don't know if it was no, I think it was the imperfections video, and I was showing all the imperfections of the car. It was the dude was saying that in the passenger kick panel they got a fuse, AFS fuse or something. He said thank him later. I looked for it, but I didn't see it. So now I'm about to go back to the video just to confirm that's what he said, and I guess I'm gonna figure out where this AFS fuse is, because that little blinking light right there is aggravating. But yeah, we good now, man. I thought I had a little issue with the Lexus. I was like, man, the Lexus been doing me good. And I'm like, what the hell, this mug wasn't starting, this thing started? Because it was confusing me, because typically when you got a weak battery, it just don't start. But at the same time, my Lexus starts so freaking easy. I don't even know. I don't know. Like, it must, it don't take long to crank over. It just like, on. Like, quick, on. So, I'm like, why is it starting up if the battery dead? But, I don't know. It probably need battery juice to run everything else too, so. Anyway, Gucci. Got a little squeaking noise out here. It's starting to happen. So on the forum, on the Lexus forums, like I never had it happen, and like it's just starting to happen with me now. On the Lexus forums, they speak about the little squeaky noise or whatever that comes up here. And what one of the guys did, it was took felt. He got some felt material. He got a screwdriver. He just stuffed it down and pushed it down until you can't even see it. It's under the dash, and all the noise from the cracks went away. So it's probably gonna be doing the same thing soon. Sticking some felt down dashboard. RT charger. I ain't gonna lie, them things they can make a mess over this Lexus probably. It's a newer car, they need the RT, they put them horses in there. Let's see what we're talking about. So I went out, took me a little ride, got me a little drink, you know, within the legal limits, of course. And now I'm returning back to my destination, my house. So, and I have no issues with the battery, so we good. We are good. 1K subs, baby. Let's go. Let's get to that 10K now, man. Again, man, y'all know what it is. Thank y'all for the support, the love. I mean, the participation. What you call that? Interaction. You know, y'all be in the comments. I try my best to respond as many comments I can, but I know it's going to be impossible to respond to everybody at some point. So, but again, man, y'all know what it is, man. Deuces. Click that button. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Just click it. Click it right now. Yeah.